2024, which is like a lot of challenge, obstacle, it's not easy for you. But in 2025, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiac is a dragon, which is a 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012. If you are born in those years, your zodiac is a dragon. And we know that in 2024, which is like a lot of challenge, obstacle, it's not easy for you. But in 2025, everything will have a change. So in 2025, your luck will come back, then you will feel that. So, and this year, you have one really good start, which is helping you, shining to you, which is the Teen Hay. This start is really good for love energy. But if let's say if you don't need the love energy, you can convert this star to help your business, because this star will bring some like a good people surrounding you, helping you. So let's say if you are working for somebody, this year you can feel that. Because last year is quite tough for you, but this year you will feel there's some change. So more opportunity will show up. And also, if let's say if you want to quit your job to get a new one, 2025 is also a good year for you to consider. If you want to start your own business, 2025 is also a good year for you to consider. If you have a boss, you already have your business, 2025 is also a good year for you to expand your business, to have like a new product, start a new branches, or have like a new investor come to your company. That you can also take a look. And in terms of the investment luck, 2025 is also not bad to you, but just this year, because 2024 is quite challenged to you, and in 2025 you have a 4 in auspicious start, and one of them is called Teen Stars, will affect your investment luck. So when you invest, you better watch the market closely, then should be 5. In terms of the health element, this year you need to pay attention, because those in auspicious start, which is 病符、8月 will try to impact you, will try to bring some like a damaging energy to your health. So there may be some like a health concern, or like a small like an accident will surrounding you. So be careful for that one. Okay, in terms of the love energy, 2025 is really good for you. So if you are still single, don't waste this good timing. Maybe your loved one is just around the corner, so you need to go out and then to just explore, to find your happiness, maybe just over the corner. Okay, in terms of your family, in 2025, you need to pay attention, because still there will be some like a conflict, unnecessary argument between you and your family member. But everything is not bad, because the most challenging year is gone. So 2025 is much better. But if you want to further boost your luck, you can find the Zodiac Rooster helping you in personally, because Rooster is always stand with you. And then Zodiac Monkey and Rats, they're good for you for your business. And try all your best to stay away from Zodiac Dog and Zodiac Dragon, because Dragon and Dragon are not really good to stay together. And the Zodiac Rabbit. And you can use more your lucky timing, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. are your lucky timing. You can use more your lucky timing. Let's say anything important, anything which is more crucial, you can schedule on those lucky timing, especially 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Use this timing to finish it. That would be much better. And stay away from those bad luck timing, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then everything should be fine, and I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is The Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.